Welcome to our English grammar lessons. In this series, we will delve into different aspects of the English language to help you become a confident and proficient English speaker. Whether you are a beginner or want to brush up on your grammar, you are in the right place. Today, we will start with the basics of sentence structure. The building blocks of a sentence. A sentence is the foundation of any meaningful communication. It consists of three key elements: the subject, the verb, and the object. Let's break these down. The subject. The subject is the person, place, thing, or idea that the sentence is about. It answers the question, who or what is doing the action. Examples: Mary loves ice cream. The cat is sleeping. Learning English is fun. The verb. The verb is the action or state of being in the sentence. It answers the question, what is happening, or what does the subject do? Examples: Mary loves ice cream. The cat is sleeping. We learn English. The object. The object is what the action is happening to or what is affected by the action. It answers the question, what or whom does the subject act upon? Examples: Mary loves ice cream. The cat is sleeping on the couch. We learn English. Common sentence structures. English sentences can be structured in various ways depending on the emphasis and the information you want to convey. Here are a few common sentence structures. Subject-verb, example, she sings. Subject-verb-object, example, they play soccer. Subject-verb-adjective, example, he is happy. Subject-verb-adverb, example, she runs quickly. That's the basics of sentence structure in English. Understanding how to construct sentences is fundamental to effective communication. In our next video, we will explore different tenses and how they affect sentence structure. Don't forget to practice and use these concepts in your daily conversations. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English grammar lessons. Feel free to leave questions or suggestions for future lessons in the comments section. Thanks for joining us, and I will see you in the next lesson.